Metals stayed in a narrow zone. We have seen modest bearishness across gold and silver, while it was crude oil which has seen a sharper drop hitting the high at 74. We have seen it plummeting sharp towards 71.5, and the natural gas stayed in a very narrow zone. So, what to expect today from gold, silver, crude oil, and net gas, and how you can profit trading these four commodities? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US. The subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First gold, followed with silver, then crude oil, and in the end, natural gas. Watch till on the hourly charts. If you look at, see gold after this drop, it is trading sideways in this zone. It has dipped towards 2494. Yesterday I have mentioned these levels, that 2500 and 2494, these are going to remain critical levels for gold, precisely beautifully respecting the levels. We have seen it is staying in the zone. What has happened since then? It is just staying in the box here. On the upside now, very clear, 2515, 2522 critical milestones it need to break in order to reverse. Only and only if it breaks beyond 2515 and 2520, you can say that the bulls are back in action. Else, what is happening? It is right now trading with modest bearishness. See, moving averages have started to converge. Stochastic has come to oversold levels while MACD is still looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts. See, if you connect the dots here, you will find this is the larger channel in which it is trading. Where are the lows for this? Towards 2490. This is going to be the next milestone, 2490, 2488 zone, and below this you can expect a stronger drop towards 2480 and lower levels. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, what has happened? Drop, retracement. Trading after this drop, it is trading in this bearish channel. Largely, it appears as long as 2520 is not taken, we can expect lower lows here. And in fact, once it comes out of the zone, it can give you a stronger drop here, where in fact 2480 is going to be one very good support, below which more bearishness will prevail. Stochastic looking down. MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also dropped, and it is right now looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. On the 4 hour, interestingly, on the 4 hour chart, see, one observation here is the 20 period moving average is still proving out to be a greater support, and 2500 levels are still looking or appearing to be a greater support here. So this zone here at 25 2498 is what you should watch out for. Yes, you can sell here at 2498, expect 2494, and once it breaks below 2494, we can look forward to a greater correction towards 2490-88, and in fact 2480 levels are also possible. But if you notice the movement here, drop, then the rise, retracement, then the rise, retracement. Largely, it is trading in this channel. It has to come out of this channel in order to confirm bearishness, which means it has to stay below 2490, 2480 zone in order to confirm reversal. Stochastic looking downwards. Now look at MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness. See, yesterday I have mentioned you very clearly. See, look at these crossovers: first, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth time it is crossing over on the 4 hour charts, and what is followed after this crossover is a good drop, and that is what is happening right now. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. We trade diverse instruments including indices and commodities in my signals channel. Thus, reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Yes, it offers you also safe and easier environment for you to trade and transact with ease. Thus, join it today. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, first of all, look at these higher lows are seen, and if you notice, after this drop, it is largely staying in this bullish channel here. Very important for gold to trade below 2490, 2480 zone. As long as it respects this zone, we have to be careful here with the selling entries. This is also very clear. Also, what has happened yesterday, it has posted a modest indecision candle, and yes, it is also delivering lower highs. So this zone is very critical. Today, a buying entry is only about 25.15. That is very clear. As long as it stays below 25.15, we have to be careful with the buys. And about 25.20 is where we can say that the bulls will be back in action. Stochastic was overbought, trying to come out of it. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. It has not yet crossed over, and just trying to converge a bit. RSI is looking down. So I will recommend you to sell only at 24.94, 98 levels. Expect 24.94, which is going to remain the first and very important support, 94.95. Then the 90.88 levels will come into picture. If it stays below 24.90, 24.88, expect that we will look forward to 24.80 and lower levels. Yes, it may post a very good correction and keep moving towards 24.60. If it stays below 24.80, certainly more bearishness is going to be there. You have to be careful there. While on the upside, a buying is recommended above 25.15 only. Those who want to risk a little can buy at 25.06, but then 25.10, 25.15, 25.10, 25.12, and then 25.15. Very, very good resistance still there. Only about 25.15 we can expect little bullishness. Then you can expect 25.20, and once it stays above 25.20, just stay bullish. We can look forward to a very, very good rise. So yes, if you are buying at 25.06, you have to be cautious, careful, alert. It is not bullish as long as 25.15 is not taken and 25.20 zone is not taken. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver on the early charts. After this drop, it is just staying in the box here. On the downside, 29.40, 29.20, very, very good support is seen here. And this zone is critical. I have mentioned yesterday as well. And on the upside now, 29.60. See, yesterday we have seen several times it has tried to breach beyond 29.60 but failed to stay above, and then we have seen it reversing. Thus, this zone is very, very critical for silver today. Moving averages have started to converge. This is a slight bearish sign here. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit. The MACD is also trading with bearishness. The RSI has also dropped. Coming to 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, look at the formation here. After the drop, it has tried to retrace, but every rise is being offset by a bigger drop here. Now on the downside, see, anyways, 29.20 is what you can expect it to be a greater support, and it is largely, if you connect the dots, here it is trading in this retracement channel here. Now on the upside, it has to break beyond 29.65. That is the level at which you can buy. But then 29.80 and 30 are the two milestones it need to break. Else it is still not to be treated as bullish here. Yes, 29.80, if it breaks, you can say that it is reversed. Else right now it is consolidating its position here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour chart. See, if you track the formation here, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Staying in the box, it has to come out of it. 29.20, any drop below 29.20 is definitely a significant, you can say, indication that we are looking forward to a major correction towards 28.80, 28.50 levels. Right now I can see that it is staying in the box. It has to come out of this box. Stochastic looking down. MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is staying bearish, looking downwards. And on the 3 hour charts, it is delivering waves here, and this is the correction wave here. So I will wait if it crosses over on the upside again, else it is right now bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, see, despite the drop, it is just taking the support from the 20 period moving average, which is a very critical support now. And thus for the day, as long as silver stays above 29.20, we have to be careful, only below which you can expect slight bearishness. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bullish. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. And see what has happened here. After forming a good base, it has hit the highs here, though it does not mean that it cannot hit further highs, but right now it is trading bearish. RSI has dropped as well, coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened yesterday? Almost a double bottom is formed at 29.20. This has strengthened this level here at 29.20, which is definitely a critical support for now. So only and only if it breaks below 29.20, we can expect that we will look forward to 29, and then below 29 we can expect a stronger correction here, which can in fact take the prices towards 28.80, 28.50. But if you look at the formation here, see, after the swing, it has delivered a modest bullish candle with the double bottom. Chances of a reversal still exist. So once you see prices staying above 29.65, that is the level at which I will recommend you to buy. When you see the lower prices above 29.65, initiate a buying entry. You can expect 29.80 and $30 levels as the next target. Yes, it can hit triple bottom and bounce back. That is also one possibility you cannot ignore. And thus you have to be cautious till 29.20 levels with the entries or the trades here. Stochastic was overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is still bullish and RSI is flat. Consider very simple. Sell at 29.20. Expect it to keep moving towards 29. And below 29 is where the bears are waiting, where you can look forward to a correction which can take it towards 28.80, 28.50 levels. And on the upside, I will recommend a buying entry now at 29.65, above which you can expect it to keep moving towards 29.80, $30 level. And after $30 levels, we are looking forward to a very healthy rise towards 30.25, 30.50 levels as well. Yes, these are markets. What it shows is not the case, and possibly what you do not see is where the prices moves, and thus you have to keep a check on both the ways, on the downside and on the upside. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude. See, crude oil yesterday plummeted sharp, hitting the highs at 74, failing to break past the double top zone. It has retraced, it has dropped sharp, and after this drop it is just consolidating its position on the downside. 71.4 again proven out to be a good support. Remember the last drop, I will show you on the daily charts. Precisely these are the levels it has come towards. Now it is consolidating its position. Any move above 72 is a good indication for us to take a buying position, where we can look forward to 72.2, 72.5 levels, and if it breaks beyond 72.5, the bullishness will prevail. If you track the oil movement, I have been sharing this drop retracement, drop retracement, drop, and now it could retrace. Even if it tries to retrace, this is the channel in which it is trading. The high is now at around 73, 73.6. That is going to be the first milestone if it continues to trade bullish. Stochastic is rising. The MACD has hit the lows here. It is trying to converge crossover. This can lead to reversal. The RSI is at bottom. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, see, after a bit of consolidation, a sharp candle again consolidating here. It can try to retrace a little. Buy at 72. Expect a 72.2 to be taken. Then you can expect 72.6 and then 73, 73.5. Any move beyond 73.5 is a sign of reversal. We can again expect 74. Chances of this appears to be less today looking at the move. The stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD bearish trying to converge. RSI oversold. Coming to 3, look at 3-hour charts here. Yes, lower highs are seen. Yes, higher lows are seen. Wait for the next candle. Any drop below 71.4 is a sign that you should stay in short, and we can look forward to 71.2, 71 as the next milestone. Now look at the 3-hour chart. See, here was the support. Here again it is getting a support here. Let's have a further look. Stochastic has come to oversold. MACD is also at bottom, and RSI is also oversold here. So indicators are getting slightly oversold, but the prices are not willing to engage in a bullish move, bullish action. So on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see, double bottom was seen here. Almost prices have come to the same zone, and if you look at largely, it is staying in the box. It has to come out of this box. Any drop below 71 is a sign that soon we may see oil trading below 70. Though I am not in much favor of such a sharper correction, but the prices are not willing to retrace as of now. If you look the formation here, drop retracement, drop retracement, drop again, and every time it has tried to move towards 20 period moving average. Right now the 20 period moving average is at 73.6. That is also the top of the channel here, and on the downside support till 71 is very strong, below which more bearishness will prevail. Stochastic oversold, MACD at bottom almost, and RSI is oversold as well. Coming to daily, when you see the daily chart, see, anyway the moving averages are trading bearish. Also it has come towards the lows here, and it is also a very good support zone. Any move below, see, this is also the double bottom levels here till 71.2. You have to be watchful, cautious, alert. And in fact, let me include 71 as well. Once you see the price is trading below 71, you can say that the bears are back in action. What is happening here? Rise, retracement, lower highs, retracement. Now see, if you connect the dots here largely, you will find lower highs and lower lows, which suggests that prices has a possibility. If it stays below 71, you can look forward to 70, the critical support, and then in fact 68 levels very soon. The stochastic has come to oversold. MACD is also at bottom and RSI is also at bottom. So considering this, for I can recommend you to buy at 72. Be careful at 72.25, 72.5. And once it stays above 72.5, the bullishness will prevail there towards 73 levels largely. Any move beyond 73 is a good sign that we can expect a reversal or retracement. 73.5 the next, and any move beyond 73.5 is a sign of reversal towards 74. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside, a selling entry now is at 71.4, below 71.4, 71.2 first, 70.95 second, and then 70.6 levels will come into picture. Below that, it is certainly going to trade below 70, which will confirm that $68 levels are not very far below. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas on the hourly chart. Similar formation: drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Lower highs, lower lows. Trying to form a nice flag, forming the support at 2.2. With that as support, it is trying to trade in this channel here on the upside. Now 2.35 is one level it needs to break in order to stay bullish. In fact, even if you see it is staying about 2.32, buy here, expect 2.35. And if it stays about 2.35, we can say more bullishness. But right now you can see it is trading in this bearish channel, and if you see it is staying below 2.28, you can take a selling entry. However, 2.2425 first, and below 2.2425 you can say more bearishness will take it towards 2.2. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is confirmed as well, or you can say RSI is at comfortable levels as well. Looking at 2 hour chart, similar observation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, and it is retracing. See the candle here, after a bit of retracement, it is showing a reversal sign. First bearish candle. I will wait for the next candle, and if you see it is staying below 2.28, you can take a selling entry. You can expect, see 2.29 itself, you can take a selling entry. Expect 2.26, 2.24 levels as the next targets. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trading with bearishness. It has failed to cross over. RSI is also trading with slight bearishness. On the 3 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. And yes, it is forming a nice flag here. And see, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. So yes, when you see it is staying below 2.29, take a selling entry for 2.2726 first, 2.2425 the second. Any move below 2.24 is a sign of further drop or bearishness, where prices will move towards $2 levels, 2.2 levels. MACD bearish, RSI has dropped. On the 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same, showing a reversal sign. Prices are dropping here. Wait for it to drop below 2.29, take a selling entry there. And on the upside, a buying entry is only about 2.32. That is very clear here. Stochastic flat, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See, one must notice a bullish candle, couple of swing candles. Also, these swing candles comes with diminishing bearishness. Thus, a possible bullish candle can be seen here today, where the prices can keep moving towards 2.36, 2.4. So once you see prices staying about 2.32, you can take a buying entry. Else what is happening? Yes, it can open low and it can hit the lows here. After hitting 2.2 this today, tomorrow we can see a reversal. That is what also one possibility you should not ignore. In any case, I do not see trading below 2.2. That is my expectation, my personal expectation. Below 2.2 is where the bearishness will be. Considering this, very simple, buy 2.32, expect 2.3536 first target zone, 2.4 the next. Any move beyond 2.4 is a sign of reversal, and we can see a very good rally towards 2.45, 2.5 zone very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2.29 levels, where you can expect 2.2, 2.2524, and at any point of time price is staying below 2.24, you can say we are looking forward to 2.2. I do not see it breaking below 2.2, but these are markets. Any drop below 2.2 is a clear sign of a further crash in prices, which I do not expect. Take your trades accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Recommended broker is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Subscribe and press the bell icon. See you again before the US session. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.